Hey, what's up? Welcome or welcome back. Today I'm here with a little bonus video for the week. We're doing another after the haul video. Let me know if you are enjoying the after the haul videos. I've done a couple at this point, and I think based on the views, y'all are enjoying them. I'm personally enjoying them because it like forces me to put my stickers away after I haul them. Otherwise, they just sit on my desk indefinitely because I'm a procrastinator. So hopefully y'all are enjoying these. Anyway, I've got a couple different categories here. So we've got foil, kit lineup stuff, seasonal, and then just like anytime kits. As always, I need this to be a we listen and we don't judge space because we've got a fat stack of seasonal stuff to put away, and y'all are gonna get a glimpse into my seasonal binders, and I'm just not ready for that to be out there on the internet like that because y'all are gonna see how many seasonal kits we've got in the hoard. So LOL, don't judge me. But anyway, I'm gonna hop in here with the non-seasonal kits just because I have my kit storage already out here. So we've got SPC, Pink Diamond Planner Co., Pink Diamond Planner Co., SPC, and then Pink Planner Shop. So basically how I have this set up is SPC, Crest Press, Pink Diamond Planner Co., and then miscellaneous. So that keeps me super organized and I can just plop things in where they go and I don't have to think about it. So we're gonna pop SPC up here. I just did a huge kit D-stash and I still barely have room. I hate that for myself. Anyway, okay, Pink Diamond Planner Co. We're gonna pop back here. And then my Pink Planner Shop kits, we are gonna pop back there. So that is everything for that, super quick and easy. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the foil bundles here. Right, so these two I need for my lineup, so I'm gonna leave those out. And then we've got gold, so that goes here. Silver goes in the second slot, and sparkly hollow goes in the first slot. And then I need to grab my fun color organizer, BRB. All right, and then these are both ice, so those are just gonna slot right in with the blues, and that is everything for the fun colors. Okay, next we can do the lineup stuff. So the fireworks we're gonna slot in here, and these ones from Planner Choco as well, just because I don't know which ones I want to use quite yet. And then this foil bundle, I'm pretty sure it's lime. I think I said it was lemongrass in my haul video, but I'm pretty sure it's lime, and I got that to go with the Crest Press Sunday Vibes kits. And the underlays for that are the Wink from Plannahannah in lime. And then okay, we've got our Sunset Hollow breakfasty stuff, and that's gonna go with the Cafe by the Sea kit. And looking through my lineup now, I'm remembering that I bumped the kit that this foil was for from my May lineup, so I'm just gonna pop that back here. Inspiration struck for Hell is Real week, so here's a little preview of that. It's a soccer game. If you're new here, it's not like a religious thing, so we'll get into that there. But yeah, so I bumped the kit this foil was for to use this kit, so we'll get into that later. This foil goes with this kit. All right, and then this Celestial Confetti Purple foil we have slotted for April. And then the disco foil is for this combo, and then all of this is for this combo. Okay, that is everything all set lineup wise. Again, please nobody judge me for all of my seasonal kits, but let me find the kit. Okay, yeah, is that not so cute together? Okay, so that is gonna go with that kit. All right, I need to find some empty space. That is the dilemma. Why are these in here? Those do not go in here. I'm gonna organize this better later because typically I like to have kits at the front and then foil at the back, but I just can't deal with that right now. So I'm just going to put the stickers away, and then organizing will be a later Domi problem. All right, hopefully these Pink Planner Shop kits fit. Let's see here. Oh, perfect. Okay, we are golden. This doesn't even close at this point. That's embarrassing. LOL. Okay. Let me grab the fall kits here. Or is it just one fall kit? All right. So I think, yeah, everything but this kit is Christmas. So we will pop this one into the Fall Halloween album. And then everything else is Christmas. So we've got that album here. And yeah, I don't think this one is gonna close either when all is said and done. And oh my God, there's so much foil. Okay. You know what? Look, I don't have enough space, so I'm going to just pop these back here, and I'm going to do a destash and figure that out later. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out. Hope you had fun. Hope to see you in the next one. Later days.